I work very closely with our offices in Bratislava. I'm lucky to go and visit them 5 to 6 times each year. And they are always extremely welcoming. They're probably the best in the world when it comes to hospitality and showing us a good time.
So, why does a Norwegian tech company have offices in Bratislava? Itera was founded in Norway in the 90s, and as the need for more and more technology globally grew, we started expanding. Today, we have offices in 8 different European countries, and in this episode, we traveled to Slovakia to introduce you to some of our colleagues there.
Hi, my name is Alexander, and welcome to Itera. If you look around, we try to make it really to feel like at Norway, so make it quite green here. And we also have like a place for children, so it's usually used when people need to bring their children to the work, and usually we have dogs here as well, usually during the day.
In Slovakia we established 8 years ago, at the end of 2014. The competition is very high because the big IT companies, they find Slovakia as a competent market. We have 3 strong universities in Bratislava and 1 strong university in Žilina, and they produce quite a lot of competent people.
Diversity in projects is very important because people are very unique in their backgrounds. Each person brings to the table their own ideas and experiences because the world is too complicated for a single person to find the best answer.
I think that diversity is in our DNA, and I think that all of these different perspectives coming together from different nationalities and from several walks of life, that is creating a lot of value for us. It's creating different angles to look at complex problems that we solve for our customers. So it's one of the reasons why we have succeeded as a company.
I can definitely feel it's different to work with Nordic people, but it's a very pleasant cooperation. We visit each other quite often. We travel to Oslo. And oftentimes our colleagues or customers travel to Slovakia so that we have better personal cooperation.
Day 2 of workshops. We're ready, guys? Yeah! Perfect.
To work in Nordic company for me, it means 2 key things, and that's people first and strong work-life balance. To work with the people across locations, Norway, Denmark, Ukraine, Iceland, if you are willing to listen and learn, then you can learn from all these people on daily basis. You know that every nation has different kind of approach, so how we listen and try to learn. And this is not only benefit for work-related things, but for your personal life as well.
People feel the trust they have from the management. They feel the openness in a communication, and they feel that they can have their own personal life, so work-life balance.
I feel that without trust, we are not really able to accomplish anything. If we don't have trust to our management, if we don't have trust between our colleagues when we work together in teams, we won't really be able to produce something great.
I feel that I can trust my colleagues, I can rely on them.
Entrepreneurship are obviously very important. We have a founder and CEO who is still part of the company. He's sitting in an open office landscape just like everyone else. And every single employee in Itera could pick up the phone probably any time, any day with a business idea or some suggestion how to improve Itera or something we can bring to a customer. And I think that's quite rare. You wouldn't see that in a lot of other companies, especially not a company of our size.